If you want to make money online, you've come to the right place, because in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to build a Shopify store with AI for free. Yes, by the end of this video, you're going to know how to have a free store, plus it's going to be loaded with popular products so that you can sell. That's right, I'm talking about selling real physical products where you won't have to do any of the shipping or have any inventory, and you won't have to have a lot of time, because we're going to do all of this in less than 10 minutes. Thanks to Build Your Store, the sponsor of today's video. And I hope you're paying attention, because this same process that I'm about to show you for free, when I needed my dropshipping store built on Shopify, somebody charged me over $500. So if you want to save money and time, hit that algorithm in the face. Let YouTube know that you like money making content. The way you do that is by hitting the thumbs up button. And if you're new here, make sure you drop a comment so I can say, hey. But now that we got that out of the way, let me show you how to build a Shopify store using AI for free. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do to build your store is to go to Build Your Store. And you're going to see me, because you're going to use the link that I have in the description to bring you over here so that you can get hooked up with this free store, okay? You know, I know y'all love the word free. So once you get over here to Build Your Store, simply click this button. No credit card is needed, okay? Once you come in here, you're going to fill in your name, your information, or you can sign up using Google if you have a Gmail account. Next, you're going to pick a niche, and you can choose from fashion and apparel, pets, electronics and gadgets, home and garden, sport and fitness. And if you're not sure, you can just simply pick I'm not sure. So let's do that, because I know a lot of you are confused, okay? And then it's going to take us down to choose banners for our homepage. This is going to be the top of your store. There are 6 options that they already put together. You can always come back and change this. And they said to pick 2. And I'm going to click done. And look at that. It says your store is ready. Click claim my store. So once you click claim your store, it's going to take you over to Shopify. And when you do sign up for Shopify, you will get 3 days for free. And then it will be $1 a month for 3 months. I think that's a good deal to get a whole store on Shopify, don't you think? Now you're going to have to put in credit card information, but you will not be charged today, okay? So the first 3 days is going to be free. And then the first 3 months is going to be $1 a month. Then it's going to take us back to Build Your Store so we can continue building the store. Now there's a quick video that you can watch to help you understand more, but I'm about to show you, okay? We're going to activate our store. Now it's going to give us a choice between which store type that we want. Again, we can keep it basic. I'm going to go with a free beginner store, and I'm going to continue with that basic store. I'm going to skip and do all the work myself, or let AI do all the work. Now, if you want a fancier store, there is an option to upgrade at this time. So if you do want that, then consider going for this. But I don't need it. I'm just going to go with no thanks. I'll launch without the Pro Store. So now we're going to customize our store as we sit back and let AI do all the work. All right. Now that was fast. Okay. So add top selling products. Okay, so we're going to click register to AutoDS below. Okay, so when it gives us this option to register for AutoDS, AutoDS is a platform that's going to actually help us find drop shippers, the companies that are actually going to have the products that we want to sell on our store. They're going to handle the inventory, the shipping. So we need them to be able to provide the products to our customer. So AutoDS is going to basically auto drop ship. Get it? AutoDS. Now that you understand that, let's go to register to AutoDS. And I'm just going to sign up with Google. Select your selling channel. We are using Shopify. Now within AutoDS, you have to pick your plan. Make sure you pay attention, because it's going to default to annual. It's up to you what you decide to do. If you do commit to a year, you will get 25% off. I actually just want monthly. Today, we're only going to pay 99 cents. Okay. So we'll be able to upload 200 products with this plan. And I think that's enough to be able to start our store. Like, I don't think we need more than 200 products to start. So I'm going to click start now. And I'm just going to sign up using PayPal. Okay, so let's connect our Shopify store, and we're going to click existing Shopify store, because we already created our store in our previous step. Right? AutoDS is an app that's in our store now. So all we have to do is open it. They already installed it for us. So AutoDS is ready, and it's giving us several categories of products. There are already a bunch of options right here. When you click on products, you can see these are 10 popular products that were already added to our store. So let's go look at our store. Look at this. We have a full functioning store. Notice at the top, first of all, you can see a scrolling banner. So it's already promoting stuff for us, site-wide sale, free shipping on orders over $50, that kind of stuff. And look, the banner that we chose is here, and it already added photos in here. And let's scroll down to the bottom. Let's see. The sports collection, our catalog, all of this stuff is already imported in here. Now, if you notice, it also has customer testimonials, a description of our store, like who we are, and social media links. So if you make a social media page, you can easily link it within here. Ooh, I actually like this duffel bag. Let me click this. Look at this. This is so cool. So it already loaded the products in here for us. And when somebody clicks on it, the variations are here. So say if they want a different size or a different color, they can choose that. Our store is looking good, if I may say so myself. Ooh, and we take various payment options. Oh, we are already locked and loaded. Now we have to remove our password from our store so that people can actually see our store. And if you don't do this step, your store is going to look like this to the public. So we're going to go to store password, and in our Shopify store, we are going to toggle this off, hit save, and go back to build your store and click done. And now our store is visible. Now, another cool perk of using Build Your Store is they give you a free domain. So that's a free web address and you can customize it however you like. So I could use a Nikki for Real store. Now, another option you're gonna see when you're setting up your store is the option to create viral videos in minutes. So this is accessible through AutoDS, and they can create like realistic looking people featuring your products. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Now, once you come in here, you'll see there are various types of videos. I just want a regular UGC video. I want her holding the product. You can do this with products in your store by pasting the link to that particular product into here, but I'm just going to try a sample product. You can use the product name and description as it is on the page and choose an image. And then it will take you over to this page where you can choose the type of video. And I'll tell you, the most common type of UGC videos are in the 9:16 aspect ratio, which is a vertical video that can be used on TikTok and Instagram Reels and stuff. They have so many realistic looking avatars. Just choose one, and then it'll take you over to the page where you can choose their voice. I just left it at the default. Then I'm going to use the default text in there. I just want to see what it sounds like and looks like. And notice the image that I chose is only a backpack with a bunch of water bottles, but let's see what it came up with.
Is your current water bottle drier than your dating life? Upgrade to the Awala Free Sip. Sip it, swig it, and stay hydrated without looking like a total mess. Grab yours today.
Oh, that turned out good. And so you guys know the Create UGC feature is within AutoDS. So it is a paid feature, but they give you a free trial, which is what I used in order to create this video. All right, y'all, you saw the whole process. Now, don't sit back and then take this information in and say, oh, I'll get to it later. No, do this now before you forget about it. It's literally 10 minutes of your time to get a full Shopify store built, and you're not paying out of pocket for an entire store. So make sure you use my link down below to access Build Your Store, and then you can access AutoDS through there, and make sure you get your Shopify store for $1 a month for the first 3 months. Again, it's linked below. I'm trying to help you out here, but I want to hear from you. Are you somebody that's wanted to build a Shopify store? Do you want to do drop shipping and have somebody else ship your products? And what kind of products would you actually sell in your store? Let's discuss it in the comments. And I want to thank Build Your Store for sponsoring this video. Please don't forget to let me and the algorithm know that you like money making content. The way you do that is by hitting the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. And I would really appreciate it if you hype this video up. If you're on mobile, that hype button is below this video. Just click that thing. It's not going to cost you anything. Now, if you like this video and you want to know how to actually get your store out there and get it found so that people actually buy the products that you're offering, I suggest you check out this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it